spicing up conversations with hobbies and leisure activities. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be diving into an exciting topic that can help you make your daily English conversations more interesting and authentic. We're going to talk about hobbies and leisure activities. This is a common subject in daily routines and habits which we often discuss with friends, family, or even strangers to build connections. Hobbies and leisure activities are the things we do in our spare time for pleasure or relaxation. They could be anything from painting, reading, and playing an instrument, to sports, gardening, or cooking. Talking about these activities can bring life to conversations, give others insight into our personalities, and even create common grounds with others. When you talk about your hobbies, it's not just about saying what they are. It's also about sharing your experiences, emotions, and why you enjoy doing them. For instance, instead of just saying, "I like gardening," you might say, "I love gardening." There's something incredibly peaceful about planting and watching things grow. It's like a form of meditation for me. To turn the conversation towards others' hobbies, you can ask simple questions like, "What do you enjoy doing in your free time?" Or, "Do you have any hobbies?" If you're more familiar with the person, you could ask more specific questions based on what you know about them. Like, "How's your painting coming along?" Or, "Caught any big fish lately?" In conversations, having a wide range of vocabulary can make your communication more dynamic and precise. Let's look at some words and phrases that could be helpful. To dabble in something, to do something occasionally, or to try or explore it. A pastime, an activity you do regularly for enjoyment. Leisurely, doing something in a relaxed way, without rushing. To cultivate a hobby, to try to develop and improve a hobby. To help you practice, let's imagine some scenarios. 1. You meet a new classmate at your English class. How would you share your hobbies and ask about theirs? 2. You're catching up with an old friend who shares your interest in hiking. How can you talk about your recent experiences and ask about theirs? Try crafting your responses based on what we learned today. That wraps up our discussion on hobbies and leisure activities. Remember, these are not only ways to pass time but also effective tools to enhance your English skills and make your conversations more lively. So next time, don't hold back on sharing what you love to do in your leisure time or asking about others' interests. Until next time, keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!